Can you really burn stubborn belly fat with just the right moves? Science says yes, but here's the catch. Not all exercises are created equal. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best exercises to target belly fat, all backed by solid research. Plus, I'll show you how to adjust each one for your fitness level. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is for you. Stay around, because the last exercise is a total game changer that would leave you coming for more if done properly.
Welcome back to the channel. If you've been frustrated by belly fat that just won't budge, you're not alone. Belly fat is one of the most stubborn types to lose. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours at the gym or starve yourself. The right exercises can make all the difference. And today, SparkForge would show you the top 5 moves that science says work best. Oh, and if you're in the US looking for quick, effective routines that fit into a busy lifestyle, this is tailored just for you. But don't worry, no matter where you are in the world, these exercises will deliver results. Let's jump in.
HIIT is the king of belly fat burners. Why? Studies show it's the most efficient way to burn calories and target visceral fat, the type wrapped around your organs. It's fast, effective, and works wonders for people with limited time. Modifications. Beginner. Start with 20-second bursts of brisk walking, followed by 40 seconds of rest. Advanced, go all out with 30-second sprints followed by 20 seconds of active recovery, like jogging. The best part? HIIT keeps your metabolism elevated for hours after you've finished, meaning you'll burn calories even while binge-watching your favorite show. Mountain climbers aren't just a core workout, they're a full-body fat-blasting machine. They engage your abs, legs, and arms, all while keeping your heart rate up. Science proves that compound movements like this burn more calories in less time. Modifications. Beginner, slow down the movement and focus on form. Advanced, speed it up and add a resistance band around your thighs for extra burn. Not only will you feel your core tightening, but this exercise also improves endurance and agility over time.
All right, we're halfway through, but I promised a game-changing move, and trust me, it's coming. For now, let's tackle the 3rd exercise that's secretly a belly fat killer. Don't forget to politely and calmly hit the like button. Don't smash it, because we have your device's well-being at heart. Kindly do the same to the subscribe button.
Planks aren't just static, they're versatile and incredibly effective at building core strength while burning fat. Research shows that dynamic planks, like plank jacks, can target belly fat more effectively than traditional crunches. Modifications. Beginner. Hold a standard plank on your knees for 20 seconds. Advanced. Add side planks and incorporate plank jacks for a cardio twist. Planks build deep core strength, improve posture, and help you burn more fat during other exercises. Next up, bicycle crunches. They've been scientifically ranked as one of the top ab exercises for engaging the entire abdominal region, especially the obliques. Beginner performs slow, deliberate movements for better control. Advanced increase speed while ensuring full range of motion. This exercise doesn't just burn fat, it sculpts and tones your waistline, giving you visible results over time.
Ready for the grand finale? This last exercise combines cardio, strength, and core activation in a way that's nothing short of revolutionary.
Love them or hate them, burpees are the ultimate fat-burning exercise. Adding a twist at the jump engages your obliques for maximum impact. Studies confirm that burpees torch calories and improve overall fitness faster than traditional cardio. Beginners skip the push-up and focus on stepping back and forward. Advanced, add a jump twist and increase your speed. Burpees deliver a full-body workout, skyrocket your heart rate, and leave you feeling accomplished in just a few minutes.
There you have it, the 5 best exercises to burn belly fat, backed by science and tailored for all fitness levels. Remember, consistency is key. Combine these moves with a balanced diet and watch your progress accelerate. I trust there were no cause for regrets. Which exercise will you try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your journey. And don't forget to politely like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to crush their fitness goals. Together, we've got this. But till then, stay sparked till I see you next with more from the best of what you love. stronger every day.